back with some small tutorials on Premiere Pro, and if you made till here then you must have watched the intro of the video. So today I will be sharing with you all how I do my masking transitions and how I use that in the intro of this video. So let's get into it. So here we have our timeline, and I've already stacked the videos to save your time. So the first step is to select the video, then we will go to this effects and control, and under opacity we need to select this pen tool. And so you will see that when you select this pen tool, mask path will open, and you need to select this stopwatch over here. So after this we will use our pen tool to animate our mask path. So let's do it. Now we need to move frame by frame and animate this mask. You can move to the next frame using the button over here. So when we move to the next frame, we see that something appears over here. So we'll quickly mask that. I will make some small adjustments, and then again we will move to the next frame and repeat the same process. Okay, so we are almost done with creating our masking transition, and the next step that you need to do is to check this inverted checkbox. And what it will do is it will create your video as an overlay over the video beneath, and you need to adjust your mask feather. And what this mask feather will do is it will soften the edges and it will make the transition look more natural. So yeah, thank you very much for watching till here, and if you like this video then do drop a like, and if you are new then a sub to the channel will be great. Peace.